In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload PDF on Deepseek 2025. Add documents to Deepseek AI Chat. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Deepseek and press Enter. From the search results, click on the official Deepseek website. When the homepage loads, switch the site language to English so the interface and instructions are easier to follow. You'll usually see an English option near the top of the page. Next, click Start Now to open the Deepseek chat. This takes you into the conversation window where you'll interact with the AI and add your documents. Before uploading anything, make sure the Deep Think and Search features are turned off. You'll find these as toggles in the chat interface. Turning them off keeps the model focused on the content of your uploaded PDF and prevents it from pulling in web results or running extended reasoning you might not need. It's a simple way to keep your answers grounded in the document you provide. Now look at the message box at the bottom of the chat. Click the clip or paperclip icon to attach a file. Your computer's file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where your PDF is stored. Click to select the PDF you want, and then click Open. You'll see the file appear in the chat input area as it finishes uploading. Larger files can take a moment, so give it a little time if you see a progress indicator. For best results, use a clear, text-based PDF. Scanned images might work, but text extraction can be less precise. With the PDF attached, you can start using it right away in the conversation. Type a prompt that tells the AI what you want. For example, summarize this document. You can also ask for key takeaways, an outline, definitions of terms used in the PDF, or answers to questions based strictly on the document's content. Be specific about sections or page ranges if you need targeted results. When your prompt is ready, click Submit to send it. Deepseek will process the PDF and respond in the chat with the summary, answers, or analysis you requested. If the response seems too general, refine your prompt by asking for bullet-free paragraphs, a certain word count, or references to page numbers mentioned in the PDF. If you need to switch tasks, simply attach another PDF the same way and repeat the process. That's all you need to upload a PDF to Deepseek and use it directly in chat. Thanks for watching, and happy document chatting.